This is my essay. I'm going to describe it to you how you are going to write. Discuss both views essay, including your planning and everything. So this is my planning format also I am going to describe, and points, how to take out points for the paragraphs, and how to paraphrase the things, and important synonyms for important question, how to find out the topic to avoid writing off the topic essay actually. Let's start with reading question statement first. Human activity has had a negative impact on plants and animal species. Some people say it's too late to do anything about this problem. Others believe that effective measures can be taken to rectify the situation. Okay, this is the question, and discuss both views and give your opinion. So from by reading question only we have come to know that this is both views kind of essay, and we have to give our opinion also. Let's plan the essay before writing it to the final thing, because before writing it's advisable to plan your essay, otherwise you will be writing off the topic essay. I will show you how to plan your essay initially. You can see, now you can see, for the same type of question of how I have done my planning. Okay, but in question paper, yes, of course, you are not going to do these kinds of designing and all. Simply you can just write it on your topic, or you can circle or underline the main topic and subtopic. You need to understand it thoroughly. Okay, so first step is I will be reading it 3-4 times at least to understand its meaning. Human activity has had a negative impact on plants and animal species. It means our man-made activities, human actions. They are having human actions. Which kind of actions? Like nowadays we are doing expansion of urban areas, and in the name of progress we are just cutting the trees to get for highways and so many things, for farming extensions and all. So I'm just giving you these ideas. Otherwise human activity has had a negative impact on plants and animal species. Some people say it's too late. Some people, they are having negative thinking. They are saying it is too late to do anything, nothing can be done to rectify this problem. Second, other part of the society say they believe that they consider that effective measures can be taken to rectify. Oh, my spelling is wrong, you can just correct it. To rectify the situation, it means they are having some hope, some positive hope that we can do so many things. Discuss both views, it means what is the main topic. So first step we have completed, we have read, we have find out the meaning and the type of question. Second, we have come to know that topic, the main topic is, so human activity, just because of human activity we have negative impacts on wildlife. Okay, so one part, some people, they are saying it is too late to do anything, and others are saying many things we can do to rectify this problem. Okay, they are saying nothing can be done, that those wildlife, whatever we have lost, they can't bring it. And here they are saying we can do so many things with the help of joint efforts and all, and we can bring more green areas. Okay, so now after reading, after finding out the topics, subtopics and the type of question, now important thing you need to do, circle the important keywords in question statement and try to think for synonyms or similar words, like I have done with pencil. You can easily see, you can see this. Okay, so like you can see here. Okay, human actions, plants, flora and fauna I have written. So for problem you can write any harm, for negative problem. So you can always circle it and just write the similar or synonym words by marking the arrow on the question statement. Examiner is not going to disturb you about the things what are you doing on question paper. Okay, so now this is your own thing. Now you have to decide which way which negative or positive which you are going to support, first one or second one. So I am going to support this second one, the later point of view. Okay, now what are let's read it. Let's read the important keywords and its synonyms. For human activities, you can use man-made action. This is man-made actions, or human progressive activities, or humans devastating activities. You can always write negative impact. For this, we can just write another word like harmful impact or effect, devastating or disastrous, and one other word is also left here, noxious impact. Okay, you can just write it. And for plants and animals, wildlife, flora and fauna. It is too late to do anything, nothing can be done. For problems, you can just write issues, concerns. Okay, these things we can write for problem. Now for next one is effective measures, strong efforts or steps you can use, or preventive measures you can use. I will be writing it here, preventive. Okay, so I would suggest when you are doing practice at home, please find synonyms for important keywords before writing it. It will bring out a good activity, good practice, and in this way you will learn so many words and its synonyms or similar words you can say before final exam. Okay, so the last word we have left, to rectify the situation, means to address the problem, to deal with the problem. You can use these words in writing, in essay. So every time we can't repeat the same word, human activity, negative impact, plants and animals. So you will not get good bands if you are repeating the words every time. Now for body paragraph 1 and 2. In body paragraph, I am going to write first point of view, and in second paragraph I am going to write second paragraph, my point of view as well as positive thinking. So first paragraph I am going to write this red one, some people say it is too late, and in second I am going to write that effective measures can be taken to rectify the situation. So what are the points I am going to write? You can just see, have a look. First point of view, for extinct species we cannot do anything. So they are having this kind of thinking. Because of deforestation, many species like blue whale, bats from the planet going to extinct. So these examples I forgot to add in my essay. So now I have I will be adding it. Okay, in paragraph 2 what you are going to write, steps for betterment, means we are going to take steps, because here it is given effective measures. So steps for betterment of situation, joint efforts by government and individuals, restricts, so government can make laws, so laws on deforestation, and individuals can bring campaigns on or social media among people to make understand about problems. See, when I made this video only planning part, so I had made these points, but when I wrote this essay, um, so I never checked, I did not check my these points. So some points are different in my writing. Okay, so you can involve these points, you can involve these points in your writing also. So format, so here I have discussed the example also. Indian government reserved some percentage of land for national parks. So I will be discussing it in my writing. Now come to the format of discuss both views. What kind of format we should adopt? First, as you know, introduction. In introduction, we are going to paraphrase of question statement. Whatever they have discussed from, you can see the question again. From here to here, the full question we are going to paraphrase in our own language. Okay, and plus your opinion. Plus your opinion will be there with the help of thesis statement. It's optional. If you want to give thesis statement, then it's okay. Otherwise, it is with the help of paraphrasing and your opinion, it will be clear. Okay, now, so it's better to give thesis statement, I will say. So body paragraph 1 will include first point of view. First point of view means this, some people say it is too late. Okay, and in with explanation and example. In body paragraph 2, second point of view, explanation and example. And in conclusion, you are going to present a problem plus your strong point of view with some solution that we will be going. So main problem will, because of deforestation, we are going to discuss the whole essay. Now just look at my introduction. So how I have paraphrased, it is an undeniable fact that some of our actions, so why I am writing it our. So human activity, human beings, we are human beings, that's why I am using it pronouns here. Some of our actions have a harmful effect on flora and fauna present on earth. Okay, so after that, now we have now I have started point of views, different point of views. While many persons consider that nothing can be done to deal with the noxious impact of human actions on wildlife. Okay, then your opinion is also with the second point of view, that's why I have combined. I strongly argue that several strong steps, this is mistake, several strong steps can be taken to address this serious concern. So now thesis statement. This essay would not only express my point of view but also elaborate both opinions. So this kind of sentence structure is actually required in Ielts writing task 2. Not only but also. Okay, and it is undeniable fact that this also is required, and while also conjunctions are also required. So I have used every kind of things in introduction. Now after that we will discuss body paragraph 1. So body paragraph 1, I am going to write about those who are saying it is too late to do anything. Okay, so to begin with, you can start the essay with to begin with, to or commencing with, or to commence with. It's better to start with commencing with. It's better to start with some connectors. One part of society believe that the devastating impact of man-made action, okay, man-made actions actually, on beautiful wildlife all over the globe cannot be reversed back. Okay, cannot be reversed back. This is to signify. So now I have given the point of view. So this is optional. You can use cannot be reversed back, or cannot be corrected, or cannot be addressed. Okay, this is optional. So reversed back is a combined phrase, but when you are using it this or this, you cannot use back. Okay, cannot be corrected. Okay, so point, presenting the point of view and why they are saying this. This is the explanation. This is to signify their opinion that already many of plants and animals species have disappeared from our world, and it is impossible to get them back. Actually they are also right. So that those animals which already they are extinct from this world, we cannot do anything. This is also right. So one example is there, a study displayed or showed, you can use the word displayed, I will be showing it like that, that several species from our ecosystem, several species like bats, blue whales, you can use it, from our ecosystem due to deforestation and expansion of farming practices. Okay, it clearly shows the depth of negative impact on endangered species also. Okay, hence it is impossible to do anything to address this issue. Now how I have started this paragraph, to begin with presenting the point of view and explaining the things, explanation sentence from here, and example is there. and how I have finished this paragraph. It is important. Now come to the body paragraph second, where I am supporting this point. On the other hand, I insist that there are numerous actions which governments and individuals can think and take to stop our activities. Okay, in the name of progress that leads to worsen the situation. So that you can cut it if you don't want to read, want to add this line. That that leads to take stop our that lead, because activities are plural, lead to worsen the situation. However, with joint efforts we can revive everything except the extinct species. Okay, primarily, now first, who can do the action? Primarily, all governments must unite to discuss the problem of deforestation. Okay, this is the major concern which is destroying earth's green lungs, and in results bringing floods and soil erosion. These now I have discussed. First, I have discussed what according to the question, you can read the statement. Others believe that effective measures can be taken to rectify the situation. So now I have presented that there are numerous actions which governments and individuals can think. You can cut this line also, and you can directly individuals no can will come can take to stop our activities in the name of progress that leads to worsen the situation. However, with joint efforts we can revive everything except the extinct species. Okay, primarily, first, government, what government can do? Government must unite to discuss the problem of deforestation. This is the major concern which is destroying earth's green lungs, and in results bringing floods and soil erosion. These green areas are the major habitats, so we have to keep in mind flora and fauna also, plants and animals. That in first line it was given plants and animals, and every time we are also discussing human activities. In this way I am discussing each and every word from the question statement. Okay, primarily, all governments that we have discussed. For instance, green one is instance. For instance, when no Indian government declared some reserved forest for national parks in 1980s. Since then, okay, comma, it had displayed spectacular results from then. From from then from spectacular results from this action, you can say, from this action. So while rereading your essay, your writing, you will get your own mistakes, like soil erosion has been stopped and species have been saved. Specifically, the number of endangered loins has increased. So in if you want, you can always give the example of that national park in Gujarat. Okay, now I am going to finish this paragraph. So how I am finishing this body paragraph 2? Therefore, many positive efforts can do wonder to solve this problem. Therefore, many positive efforts can do wonder to solve this problem. Okay, now come to the conclusion. To recapitulate or to conclude, both of these will not come. Okay, only one. So I am opting this. Although, so this kind of sentence structure is also required in IELTS writing. Although we cannot bring back extinct species into the world, positive hope is left with the advent of several steps. So we cannot bring back, positive hope is left with the advent of several steps by nations, government and every person. We can stop humans devastating activities and its negative impact on our planet. So this is my essay. You can always add one line also if you want. Otherwise, this is perfect. Now I will show you the whole essay again. Now you can see the whole essay look. Okay, introduction, body paragraph 1, 2, and the conclusion is on the next page. And this is conclusion actually. Thank you so much for watching this video.